I just got this for one reason. And the only reason I got this was because my old one, it doesn't have a strong enough lid or top to actually stay maintenance. And look at this, you can actually push this up, and it also has a little handle. Let's take it out of the box here. All right, this top is stainless steel on the top, silicone in the center, and then actually this thing, look at this, you can actually push it down because of the silicone. So in case you have food, you could just flip it over the other way, clean that out, hit it out in your trash can, and that's it. So this is a perfect way to actually remove any content that you have in there, especially with the stainless steel. And then if you have a stainless steel sink, this is gonna match the whole thing. So easy to remove. Let's put it together. All right, this is my old one. You can't flip this, so when food comes out, you either have to hit it this way and it stays stuck on it. So this is the old one. Let's remove that one. And because I do have a stainless steel kitchen sink, this is a new one. Now look at the new one. I could just move this up, pick it up from here. This one didn't even have a grip to pick up. So anytime, put in the center, it clips perfect. Has some food content. There's some food content in there. Close it out. You see a piece of the corn in there. Very simple. All you got to do is just flip this. You could just do that. Look at that. Everything comes out easily. So you could clean it out, making your job much easier instead of something very difficult to actually use. So hope you guys enjoy the video.